Self-defense gear is everywhere. Scroll through Amazon or tactical websites and you'll see everything from pepper spray to hidden blades to ballistic backpacks. But here's the real question. What actually makes sense for real-world personal safety? Today, I tested and researched some of the most unexpected self-defense gadgets on the market, from high-tech body armor to discreet defensive tools, and we're going to break down what they are, how they work, what they cost, and who they might realistically be for. And remember, no tool replaces awareness, training, and good judgment. Let's get into it. Gadgets number 14. Arsenal RS-1 Bayonet Revolver. First up is something that sounds almost fictional, the Arsenal RS-1 Bayonet Revolver from Arsenal Firearms. This is a hybrid weapon that combines a fixed blade with a concealed 6-shot .22 LR revolver built into the handle. Yes, it fires over the blade. The blade itself measures 6.5 inches with a straight back clip design. Inside the grip is a double-action revolver mechanism, complete with a folding trigger and access to the cylinder through a hinged section. Because it's concealable and discharges around from an unconventional platform, it falls under the NFA classification of any other weapon in the US. Is it practical? Probably not for most people. Is it unique? Absolutely. This is more of a collector's conversation piece than a realistic defensive tool. Gadgets number 13. Pavashot Stick Shot. Now let's move into something more practical. The Pavashot Stick Shot is a non-pyrotechnic defensive device that uses compressed nitrogen to deploy pava powder. Unlike traditional liquid pepper spray, this system launches powder at high speed with an effective range of roughly 50 feet. The device looks like a medium flashlight and has a knurled grip for control. After deployment, the extended tube can also function as an impact tool in emergency situations. Powder dispersal can be more persistent in the air compared to liquid sprays, which may improve effectiveness in certain environments. This is closer to a realistic civilian defensive option, assuming it's legal in your area. Gadgets number 12. Gotcha Cap by Fab Defense. Next is something extremely discreet. The Gotcha Cap from Fab Defense is a baseball-style hat with a concealed polymer defensive tool stored under the bill. It's lightweight, ergonomic, and made from reinforced composite material. The design allows for quick access while remaining low profile. This kind of tool is considered a last resort personal defense option and should always be paired with situational awareness and de-escalation training. Gadgets number 11. Streetwise Sting Ring. The Streetwise security product Sting Ring combines a compact form factor with a stun device function. It features squeeze activation and multiple contact points. It's designed to be concealed in the palm while remaining ready if needed. As with any electroshock device, laws vary dramatically depending on your state or country. Always check local regulations. Gadgets number 10. Burna Ballistapac 3+. Now we're stepping into protective gear. The Ballistapac 3+ from Burna looks like a regular backpack, but it deploys into front and back body armor in seconds. It's rated NIJ level 3+ and designed to stop certain rifle threats. Features include quick draw deployment system, concealed ballistic plate carrier, everyday backpack functionality. Gadgets number 9. Cold Steel Heavy Duty Sword Cane. The heavy-duty sword cane from Cold Steel hides a 24.25-inch stainless steel blade inside a walking cane. The aluminum shaft is durable enough for daily support, and the blade can be deployed quickly by pulling the handle. Important note, sword canes are illegal in many states and countries. Always verify local laws before purchasing. This is more of a specialty item than a mainstream defense tool. Gadgets number 8. Trailblazer Lifeguard Folding Pistol. The Lifeguard from Trailblazer Firearms is a single-shot .22 LR pistol that folds completely flat for concealment. It includes built-in storage for 4 extra rounds, steel barrel and bolt, aluminum frame. It's compact and designed as a minimalist firearm option. Like all firearms, responsible ownership, training, and legal compliance are essential. Gadgets number 7. Mace S2 Pepper Spray Gun. The S2 pepper spray gun from Mace Security International uses CO2-powered projectiles filled with pepper and tear gas compounds. It holds 5 rounds and deploys irritant powder upon impact. What's interesting is the on-demand CO2 activation system, meaning it can remain uncharged until needed. For many civilians, less lethal options like this are far more practical than extreme gear. Gadgets number 6. Premier Body Armor Everyday Armor 360. The Everyday Armor 360 from Premier Body Armor is a compression shirt that holds level IIA soft armor panels. It provides front, back, and side coverage while remaining concealable under normal clothing. Total weight, about 2.5 pounds. Cost, around $380. For people wanting discreet ballistic protection, this is a realistic solution. Gadgets number 5. EK Archery Vlad Crossbow. The Vlad Crossbow from EK Archery features an 8-shot top-fed magazine system. With interchangeable limb sets, it can function as either a backyard target shooter or a more powerful hunting/defense platform. While creative, it's important to remember crossbows are still lethal weapons and regulated in many jurisdictions. Gadgets number 4. SOG Survival Hawk. The Survival Hawk from SOG Specialty Knives is a 19.5-ounce tomahawk with 3-inch chopping edge, hammer pull, nail puller, fire starter rod in the handle. This is more of a survival and utility tool than a primary defensive item. Gadgets number 3. Parapactum Bulletproof Umbrella. The Parapactum from Sear Invicta is marketed as a bullet-resistant umbrella rated to NI level IIA. It uses Kevlar layers and reinforced carbon construction. This is niche, typically for executive protection or security professionals. Gadgets number 2. Nebo Brite 1500 Tactical Flashlight. The Brite 1500 from Nebo produces up to 1500 lumens and includes a tactical strobe mode. Flashlights are underrated self-defense tools because they disorient, they increase awareness, they help identify threats, and they're legal almost everywhere. Gadgets number 1. Nedfos DA75 EDC Knife. The DA75 from Nedfos features 3.8-inch 8CR14 MOV steel blade, G10 and aluminum handle, seatbelt cutter, glass breaker. At around $30, it's more of an emergency utility tool than a dedicated weapon. Here's the truth. The most effective self-defense tool is awareness. Gear can help, but training, avoidance, situational awareness, and understanding local laws matter far more. Some of these products are practical. Some are novelty items. Some are professional-grade protective tools. But no tool replaces judgment.